Hey, what up guys? Pabs Moneybags here, back with the third episode of this mystery unboxing mini-series. And this is supposed to be a really rare shoe. He told me that there were only about 2,000 pairs made for this one. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at what this shoe could possibly be. Sneakers, I've never really had some as exclusive as these. And just by opening the box, another Jordan. This is like the mini-series mystery Jordan unboxing. I really don't know what this one could be. Golden Jordan logo right at dead center in the middle. Nothing in the front. On the side, another Jordan reflective gold logo. Over there on the other side, just the size and the 23 in the corner. All right, let's just go ahead and open them and see. I know what shoes these are. I know what shoes. Okay, but right away, you know I love the extra details, and they sent this little not even. This is like a suede. This is like a suede bag. Oh, they sent two. Okay, they sent two suede bags. Jordan 17 plus. Hey, this is some quality stuff from Soulfly and Jordan. I gotta respect that. You guys know that. I love that on the Soulfly unboxing. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and check the description or check the card appearing on the screen right now. And let's just go ahead. This a really, yeah, okay. I had actually never seen a Jordan 17 in person, or at least I don't remember seeing one. But hey, we have the Soulfly times Jordan. These dropped during All-Star Weekend. Again, really exclusive drops during All-Star Weekend, which I tried to cop a bunch and took a bunch of L's. But better look at them. Once again, just like the OVO 8s, you got a tumble leather finish most of the upper. In the front, you have the 23 right by where the outsole begins. Then this little kind of darker, transparent detail also that goes a little bit throughout the midsole over here on the inside and on the outsole, even a little bit on the outsole, which right above that on the outsole has a yellow, really small Jordan logo. All right, so over here on the lace holes, or where the laces go through, a metallic finish to them. That same metallic finish can be found over here in the heel as well, with the little, really small Jordan logo over there on the inside of the shoe. Is it the same? It is the same on both shoes. It's something about the yellow though that I don't think you would be able to wear these as easily. So on the right shoe you have the Jordan Jumping Man logo in the heel, and then on the other one you have the Soulfly logo. This shoe is pretty much a modified Jordan 17. You got this little bit, it's like a sock. Again, we've seen Nike use the sock finish, not the finish, sock collar in a lot of shoes lately. And this one on the left shoe actually tells you what number pair it is from the other 2,300. So we have the 570th. So on the inside you can't really see on this shot, but there's the Soulfly kind of cursive signature on the insole. I personally don't think I would wear these. Not even for basketball. And again, I'm not sure if it's a shoe or if it's just a colorway. All right, but now just to top things off, once again, the moment of truth. Same leather smell from the OVO 8s. But yeah, if you liked the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And also, if you want to be here for the other upcoming shoes that Vince already told me he's got some in the way. So if you want to be around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But yeah, once again, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Pabs Moneybags out.